So why this Rihanna image looks so trash? I'm gonna say trash. It looks so unhealthy. So I'm gonna create everything to change from this to this. Let's jump to it. So let's get into the Photoshop. The only thing it's gonna do is first you need to do is duplicate this image. Come here and make it 3. So we want to make it 3. The only brush you're going to use is the mixer brush, this one. Okay, you come to the mixer brush. So when you get to the mixer brush, make sure here is empty. You're going to change this. You're going to press this one. So when you press it, make sure you choose the color and get the same face color on here, and then click on it and see, boom, this is what it's going to give you. So I'm going to just make sure I'm going to complete all this before. So take your time and just making the smoothing look so great. So when you're done with it, okay, when you just smooth it and done with it, then you move to here, the camera raw filter. So this is the different secret I'm going to show you. Okay, so you come to detail. Okay, the detail, the navigation, you're going to make it look like this. Okay, so make it look 60 68. Then you click on it. When you click on it, just choose this one. We're going to swap this to here. Okay, so when you swap it, make sure you will come to here, image and adjustment and black and white, and click on it. When you click on it, come to filter and order and high pass. So the high pass is going to reduce it. Okay, don't make it too much. So when you get to here, or you can make it only 1% and click on it. And when you click on it, go to the normal, change the normal to here. Okay, the linear light. Okay, you can see the difference now. So if you think you need to get more into this, okay, you can just go back, okay, and just add more to it. Add more to it if we need more details, and then you change it to that. Okay, so it's gonna give you 100%, and you can just reduce this opacity. Okay, and we just want to remove something, so the spot healing brush, you're going to step here and here and here. So you're going to take your time and remove all those stuffs because the quality is so down. So I just use subtankiness to just come up with something great. So when you're done with it, Ctrl+E is going to add this image together. You can see before and after, before and after. So you're not done with it yet. You're going to choose the dot 2, and the dot 2 you're going to increase it. So when you increase it, allow the exposure to be around 50, and you can step here. Okay, make sure you will get everything correct, and here too, and here. So I want here to just pop up. Okay, and you can see the difference now. Okay, so let's check before and after. Okay, sorry guys. So when you're done with this, come to filter and camera raw filter. So we're going to work on something here. So we're going to push the black because I need the head color to be more black. And here, okay, the contrast, don't push it too much to 25, and here 22. Okay, you can just reduce it too much because you have to allow it to be 20. And here, okay, just one. Okay, we need it more to be around 7. And the highlights, okay, you can check the scan and see how it just look like. So we want to be 50, and you can see the before and after. There's much different about this. Okay, and this is going to be around this side. We are not done with it yet. I just want to do one of the things before we can jump to it. And when you're done, come to the eye. Okay, so let's change the color to white, and let's move to the brush and choose the color replacement. And when you step here, it's gonna give you the white color, the white eye. Okay, you can just step here, not too much. So I'm showing you a little secret you need to get to know about this. And we need to add 1 or 2 makeups. So here I'm going to push it to be around this side. Okay, not too much, but I want to get something cool like this. And then choose layer, and it comes to the brush, and just increase it, and just reduce the opacity here to 50 or 51. Okay, you can see the difference now. So when you step on it, just change here to color. So the color is going to affect your skin, and you can use the same method to just to cover here. So it's just give you already. So use the same area to just come with this, and you can use the same thing to just cover the lips, or you can change it into something different. You can change it into something cool. Okay, I don't know, sorry guys. You can change it to something cool. Okay, it gives you a different thing, but let's just maintain the first one. Okay, so when you get to the first one, this is how it's gonna give you 100% way, and then you're going to add this together, and it comes to the eyebrows. So the eyebrows is going to choose the pen tool, and you're going to step here. Okay, step here to here, and just come to this side. Okay, and then we just crop it and move to here. Okay, the image hue, and the hue we're going to the lightness, we're going to make it maintain it to be around this side, and we're going to choose the eraser tool, and we're going to step in the middle here to fade it for us, something cool like this. But make sure this the opacity will be around 38. Okay, you can see the difference now. Okay, so you can see the edges is very bad, so we're going to blur it. So we see it as a blur, and I'm going to push it a little more. So we're going to change the normal to choose the one that's going to fit. So we're going to choose the multiply and just reduce it to maintain the same. So I think around here we need to fix something around here. So we're going to highlight it, and you're going to move to filter and come to the blur gallery and choose this one, tilt blur. Okay, or I think we need to just use this one instead of this. We have to get into this one. Okay, so this one's gonna give us a I mean something we just need right now, and we're going to reduce it a little bit. Okay, can you see now? So it's giving us something straight to just feel how it looks so live. Okay, and then we're gonna click on it. So this one looks so like portraits, and you can see the difference now. So we're going to move to camera raw filter to just grade it to see how it's gonna be. So the grade, you can see now, this is what it's gonna give you. So we're going to use the same method we used the first to do. So we're going to do the same thing, but don't make it too much to look like a cartoon. Okay, so let's just maintain how they just look, and then move to here. Okay, color mixer. So the color mixer, we're going to work on the face. Okay, so we're going to make sure that we're going to get the skin. Okay, so we just need the hue to be around 7, and here 13, and here I don't think we need more too much, so let's just maintain it to the 9. And the red, okay, you can see there is too much, so we're going to maintain it to be around 30, and you can see here you can make it reduce it. So I think we need to make it be around 1, not too much. And the yellow, you can see, I don't know where it's just affecting, but I think this one is cool. And then you can change this. Okay, you can change this. This is very important to get the skin. Okay, so I think we're going to maintain here to here, we're going to maintain here to here to get a skin, and I don't think we're going to reduce this one. Okay, don't make it so much too, so we're going to maintain it to be around 7, and then come to here. Okay, here, this one, and you're going to make sure here is going to cover to black. Cool, like this. And let's check before and after. So when you're done with it, just, and you can see now, so let's check it before and after. Before and after, I changed everything from scratch to get this, and you can see now this is what you need to make sure you will get from, I mean, your image. You don't have to stress too much to just, I mean, to go through about it. So guys, if you find this it's great, just click here. There's a lot of videos you need to learn, and I'm gonna do more videos like this for you, or to just learn. See you for the next video. Bye.